All right, our next review topic is solving one-step equations. Now, of course, there are many, many different types of equations, but the fact of the matter is, if you can't solve a one-step equation, then it is very, very hard to solve a two-step, a multi-step, or any other type of equation above it. So, to start, an equation is a mathematical statement that says that two expressions are equal to each other. In its basic form, that's what an equation is. So, an equation, obviously, has to have an equal sign. So x plus 8 equals 5 is your original equation. X equals negative 3 is what's known as the solution to that equation. That's the value that works for that particular equation. The other three terms that are up here are what we do when we solve the equation. Inverse operations is what you use to break down the equation so that you can solve it. Balancing the equation means what you do to one side of the equation, you do to the other. So notice that instead of plus 8, they subtracted 8 on both sides. But what you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. Finally, the whole point of an equation is to get the variable by itself. Get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. By itself means nothing in front of the variable, nothing behind the variable, and no negative sign in front of the variable. You must have those three things in order to be considered done with the equation. So keep those in mind as we move forward. So, solving linear equations in its basic form. To solve an equation, you are taking the opposite of any operation taking place in the problem. So that literally means you have to know what your opposites are. Opposite or inverse operations. So it all is dependent upon what did you start with. So if you started with adding, that means in order to get rid of adding, you're going to have to subtract. If you started with subtracting, you're going to add. If you started with multiplying, you're going to divide. If you started with dividing, you're going to multiply. So those are your four basic opposite operations. Everything else that goes into higher order equations ultimately reduces itself down to these four. So if you look on the left side of the page, those are four examples that are already worked out that highlight each of the opposites. So these four examples are already worked out so that you can see how to solve each equation. We're going to work another set of 6 examples which highlights those same things along with 2 special cases. So let's begin. Now, when we solve equations, we do not use guess and check, which is plug numbers in until we get the number that works. We don't do guess and check. You have to know how to solve an equation. That's a fundamental part of algebra or any other math class that you're going to be in. So, for part A, we have 8 plus A equals 3. 8 plus A equals 3. So, the 8 doesn't have a sign in front, so that means it's positive and it's being added. So, we're starting with adding. That means you're going to have to subtract to get rid of it. So you're going to subtract 8 on both sides. So 8 minus 8 is 0, so that drops out. So you have A equals 3 minus 8, which is negative 5. So your answer is A equals negative 5. And that's that. Problem's over. Part B. 13 equals 5 times B. Notice that the variable this time is on the right-hand side. So what? It doesn't change how you solve that problem. So remember, a number next to a variable is multiplication. So this is 13 equals 5 times B. So we started with multiplication, which means we're going to have to divide in order to solve this problem. So we divide both sides by the number that is attached to the variable, which is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, so that drops out. So you have 13 over 5 equals B. So remember, it's perfectly fine to leave that as your answer, but it's also okay to give it in its decimal format if it's necessary. So that's 2.6. Remember when I said earlier, do not use guess and check. Guess and check would not have worked for that problem unless you're going to plug in every single decimal to see if it's going to work. Let's see. C minus 8 equals negative 4. So right now we have a minus 8. So we're starting with subtraction, which means we're going to have to add. So we're going to add 8 to both sides. The reason why we're adding 8 is next to that variable. Remember, we want the variable by itself. You want that variable by itself. So negative 8 and positive 8 are opposites, so they drop out. So C is equal to negative 4 plus 8. So C is equal to 4. So again, if you know your opposites, it makes everything that much easier. So let's do our bottom set of one-step equations. Part D, we've got x divided by 4 equals negative 3.6. So we're starting with division, which means we're going to have to multiply. We're going to have to multiply in order to get this variable by itself. So the question is, what number do we multiply? The 4 is over there with that x, and the x is what we want by itself. So we're going to multiply both sides by 4. If you look on the left side, multiplying 4 and dividing 4, those are opposites. They drop out. So x is equal to negative 3.6 times 4. So again, from here, we can let our calculator do our work. So x is equal to negative 14.4. Keep in mind, if you didn't have a calculator, you can multiply them out as well. But that's it for problem D. As I mentioned, there's a couple special cases that we're going to look at. First special case is when you have a negative and a variable. Negative and a variable. So keep in mind here that negative y, if there's no number in front of a variable, is understood to be 1. So negative y is the same thing as negative 1y. So for some of you, if you know how to write that negative in there, go ahead and do that. So that's -1 times y equals 14. -1 times y equals 14. So that means you have multiplication, which means you need to divide. So we're going to divide by -1. Always figure out what do you have and what's the opposite. So that gives you y equals 14 divided by -1, which is -14. The last problem, you have 2/3 x equals -12. So the special case in this part is that you have refraction. So if you have a fraction, which will happen rarely, but if you have the fraction, you're going to multiply by the reciprocal. You're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we look at our problem. You have 2/3 x equals -12. Again, the whole point is to get the variable by itself. So what we would do is take the fraction, flip it over to its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3/2. Multiply both sides by 3/2. And here's what's going to happen when we do that. On the left-hand side, 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So it dropped itself out. It dropped itself out. Equals. -12 is not a fraction, so we're going to make it a fraction. We're going to force it to be a fraction. And then we multiply that. 3 times -12 is -36. 2 times 1 is 2. -36 divided by 2 is -18. So your answer is -18. So again, it's a little bit more involved, but as long as you pay attention to what you're doing, you're going to be just fine.